Is that a BMW? A Volvo? A VW ID4? Yes, no, this is the SKODA ENYAQ, which based on the VW ID4. And today I'm going to give it the minor but important redesign it deserves. By the way, I'm Omer, an industrial and graphic designer, and you are watching Electric Design. SKODA has just unveiled their latest electric SUV with the most aggressive SKODA design ever. In fact, until recently, SKODA design was harmless and adorable in some cases. It never offended anyone, while VW, the parent company, had a much more sharp and serious design. But it seems like the tables have turned, and VW electric lineup is now the smiley one, Seat of course is the young and sporty, and SKODA is kind of in the middle with a rather sophisticated approach. By the way, I recently redesigned the VW ID4. I'll put a link in the description below, so go and check it out later. I personally think the ENYAQ doesn't really stand out in terms of design, but it sure has one major element that will certainly draw attention. And it's the illuminated grille. It's funny we are still calling it grille, but regardless the fashionable illumination, this front design really looks like it belongs on an ICE vehicle. And it's even more funny that this grille is definitely the most aggressive one SKODA has ever designed on an electric car. So, as you can see, I scaled down the massive stripes grille but kept the cool looking illumination. And this results in a much more clean front fascia design, yet distinctive enough. Another small issue I have is the pointy edge of the headlight. I just don't understand this element and what it brings to the overall look. And it really reminds me of Volvo's XC90's headlights design. Do you also see the similarities? Hit the like button if you do. So I just got rid of this unwanted triangle and kept a clean line running up from the bumper all the way to the bonnet, and it definitely correlates well with other SKODA models like the Superb, Octavia and the Kodiaq. For last, I just increased the depth of the shoulder line crisp above the back wheel arch for a much better overall stance. And of course, no future electric car is complete without the future filter. There you go, the redesigned SKODA ENYAQ. Who said electric cars are boring? So, what do you think? Did I get it right? Tell me in the comments below. And don't forget to check out the Electric Design channel for more electric car design content. And hit the subscribe button, it really means a lot to me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next time.